Today, I'm going to show you how to view setup logs in Base44. This is a quick and useful process when you want to check what happened during your project setup, review activity, or troubleshoot issues inside your workspace. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the project you want to inspect in Base44. Once the project is open, look for the dashboard and click it. This will take you to the main area where your project tools and information are available. From the dashboard, click on Logs. This is where Base44 stores different types of log data, including setup activity. At the top of the Logs page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click the first drop-down and change the selection to Setup. Once you choose Setup, the log view will update and show only the setup logs for that project. From here, you can review the details you need and check the setup history more clearly. And that's it. You've now viewed the setup logs in Base44. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.